Hey, we're trying to simplify, and we've got the cube root of 540. So remember that simplifying a radical means pulling as much out from under the radical as you can. Plus, we don't leave radicals in the bottom. Since there's no denominator here, that's not an issue. So I need to figure out how 540 breaks down. So I'm going to do a prime factorization of it. Now, it is even, so it's divisible by 2, but I also notice it ends in 0. So maybe I'll start with dividing it by 10. That'll make my numbers a little bit easier to manage. So let's see. I can use a calculator there, but 10 times 54. Now I know 10 is 2 times 5, so I'm done with that side of it. 54. 54 is 6 times 9, isn't it? Yes, it is. 6 times 9. And then 6 is 2 times 3. And 9 is 3 times 3. So in looking at all this, I have two 2's. But when I'm doing a cube root, I need 3 like things. So there's not enough of those to come out. There are, however, 3 3's. So the 3's can come out front. They're all gone, but there's only 1 5, so there's not enough of those. So I'll have 3 cube roots of 2 times 2 times 5. That's what will be left under there. So just a little bit more cleaning up of that. It'll look like 3 cube roots of 2 times 2 times 5 is 20. So that's in a simpler form. And if you question that, although you don't want to go to a decimal ultimately for your answer, I mean, you could do a decimal approximation for both of these in your calculator. Cube root of 540 versus 3 times the cube root of 20, and see that they are the same number. But that's what you're looking for in the correct form, 3 cube roots of 20. Thank you.